Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we will talk about how to get a dry erase marker off your kids' room walls. This video will guide you through the best ways to eliminate the dry erase marker without damaging your paint, so stick around for that. Rubbing alcohol. Pour a little rubbing alcohol, preferably with a 45% concentration, onto cotton wool and use it to wipe the dry erase marker from the wall. Clean it gently because the alcohol could cause the paint to fade or come off. Alternatively, you can use a cotton swab to target only the stained areas. Once you have removed the marker stain, use a clean cloth to wipe any extra rubbing alcohol. Nail polish remover or acetone. As with the rubbing alcohol, pour a small amount of the nail polish remover or acetone on a cotton swab or ball. Be careful not to use too much since acetone, also found in some nail polish removers, might strip your wall paint. Gently scrub the marked area using the cotton, then clean it with a damp cloth or sponge. Avoid using acetone or choose an acetone-free nail polish remover if you don't want your paint to fade, especially fresh paint. Hairspray. Another common household item is hairspray. Spray the hairspray over the dry erase marker stain and let it sit for a few seconds. You can also spray it onto a cloth and then use the cloth to scrub the wall. Once the marker has come off, clean the wall with water and a sponge. Toothpaste or baking soda. For this method, you will need a rag, water, an old toothbrush, or an abrasive sponge, and either toothpaste or baking soda. Sprinkle water on the section of the wall with the marker, or dab it with a wet rag. Take a small amount of toothpaste or baking soda on the toothbrush or sponge and gently scrub the wall. The marker might not come off completely on the first attempt, so you may need to wipe it off with a rag and repeat the process. For a more effective result, combine equal amounts of baking soda and toothpaste to create a paste. So, there you have it. Dry erase markers on your walls can make your kid's room look messy, but once you learn how to remove them effectively, you won't be bothered if your little one decides to get artistic again. I hope this helps. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Until next time.